Hello guys! We have not done any experiments for a long time, and I think it's time to do some good ones today. Sadly, I'm not ready with those main panels and those sockets with Berek control, so I'm going to do these things in another place. And guess what we're going to test? No, it's not that high voltage cable, but it is these things. Those big PTs. And here we got them. 3 PTs. And the ratio is 100 to 10,000 or 1 to 100. You may have seen that one in previous videos. I recently got those two. And there's a huge one in the shed. I cleaned those up. I'm going to test this middle one, that one. And it has some problem. I don't think it's a problem, but it's not so nice. That's the... Maybe you can see that. No, it's not that the table is moving, but this coil is loose. It's not good attached to the core. That one's pretty attached, and that one. But this one is a bit loose. You may can see that. But that's loose. I'm going to test that and see if it works okay. I'm not going to test this in this room. I'm going to take it to the kitchen because I got a huge, bigger fuse there. We got 16 amp in the kitchen. I have just connected 10 amps to this room at the moment. Because the last thing I want to do is to blow the main fuse. Because the main fuse is not up here. It's in the sort of locked place in the basement. So we don't want to blow that. But the cable is rated for 16 amps. It's 2.5 square millimeters. So I can put 16 amps in there. But at the moment we just got 10 amps. So I'm going to take that to the kitchen and plug it straight into the mains. Of course, I'm going to ballast it with a MOT because I don't want to blow the windings up in that. Or blow the fuse, if it's a short in that. I don't want to blow my main fuses. That's the last thing I want to do. And yes, still the glove is attached to that. And I've connected 2 of those crocodile clips on that one. And that one will be for another time. So I'll take that to the kitchen and test it out. And just if you want to see how heavy that PT is, 33.5 kilograms. So here we are. Here's the damaged PT. Not so damaged, but that coil is not on the core. It's a little bit loose. With a wire connection. Insulator chicken stick. Earth wrapping right there. High voltage. Ballast. PT. Tripod. Amp meter. That's important. 2 to 20 amps. No, 200 amps. If we get some peaks. So put that right here. Putting on the maximum current. Yeah, that's a bit moving a bit. So yes, and that earth is connected to that. So let's put the camera here. Right, that. Or like that. Let's do some arcs. I'm going to turn the light off. A bit dark, but I can see it. So listen to this, I'm going to plug it in. Pulls 3 amps. Some Corona crackling. So I want to burn my floor. let's see how much that was. Turn it off. 16.9 amps. Like that noise, I don't know if you can hear it. That's the insulator. Crackling. That's 23 kV right there. Yes, let's put it in place and turn it off and fix the wire. That's annoying. Maximal current of 17.5 amps. Now I'm going to use this view right here. That's a high voltage lead right there, and the chicken stick. And background you can see the MOT and the wires. So let's turn it on. The crackling noise again. Don't know if my earth cable is that long. My wire is not going there I want. That's nearly 25 or 30 centimeter long arc right there. Yes, I'm going to turn it off now. Still 17.5 amps peak. And yes. Let's take these things back to the workshop. So yes, that little PT worked pretty well, even if the coil was a bit loose on the core. But anyway, it worked good. We have one more PT to test, but I think I'm going to leave that to the main panels are done and test it on the Variac supply instead. And yes, here they are again. 3 PTs. Still a huge one in the shed. And high voltage cable. Thanks for watching.